See, once again, Zenith Bank is not open. I came yesterday. These people, they've held my money for how many days? Look at the useless Zenith Bank. My domiciliary account, they just cleared it and they don't want to answer me. I cannot recharge, I cannot withdraw, I cannot transfer, and their bank is closed since yesterday. They were closed on Monday, they are closed today, they were closed last week. For goodness sake, what kind of rubbish bank did I go and open an account with? Just look at the bank. So this is Lekki too. This is Lekki too, and they are closed. This is Lekki. Look at them. They are closed. You cannot access your own money that you put inside the bank, but you cannot access it. This is Zenith Bank. Look at people are stranded. Look at everybody standing outside. People are stranded. Their own money, you cannot access it. See, this is Zenith. I don't know who sent me to be a Nigerian. Frustration. Your own money. It's not that Zenith Bank is my salary account. I will not have account with Zenith because it's salary account. That's why I went to open this useless bank. See me now. I can't access my account. My domiciliary account, I don't know if they cleared it. I don't know what happened, but I just cannot see any money on the account again. They are saying it's network issues. I shouldn't worry. Now the branch that is closest to me, those ones closed since 2 days. They are running. I don't know whether to laugh or cry, or it's just tiring. I swear, I'm just tired of the whole thing. What kind of nonsense is this one? Hey God. Hey, who sent me to go and be in Nigeria? Maybe I could have just been in Tanzania or something. I went to go and be in Nigeria. I'm not even going far. I did not say Brits. I didn't say American. I said Tanzania. I went to go and be in Nigeria. See me see problems, issues. Well, what can I say? It's to go and rest because I cannot come and kill myself every day. I spend hours on the road, come back empty-handed. It's frustrating, really.
Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my realistic people, today I have a quick one to relate with each and every one of us because a lot of things has been going on, but we can't keep quiet anymore. We got to spit it out. Yes, sir, we have to say it out. Do you know that a lot of things now happened in Nigeria, especially with this new change era of money? Hey. If you don't know, let me tell you, bank personnel, as we speak right now, they shut down everywhere, like climbing up of the fence down to the other side to run for their lives. Why? Because the condition is now so critical. A lot of people dash into the moving of the bank, but to their greatest surprise, there is no money. Right now in Nigeria, what they normally do is no longer dollar to naira, neither euro to naira, but right now is naira to naira. In fact, you pay money to collect your money. Before you get anything right now, you have to pay the sacrifice. When you go to a bank or to the POS to collect 10,000 naira, you got to pay the sum of 3,000 naira. And right now, the worst of it is there is no money. With your 4,000 naira to collect the sum of 10,000 naira, you don't even have the money. This is unbelievable. And as we speak right now, the country is up and down, upside down, corner and middle, back to back. Nothing is happening. That brings us to the point where Simon Ekpa said, you people are going to help in bringing the actualization of Biafra to pass. But a lot of people did not understand that logic. As it stands right now, they are not the ones saying that we want to go. They are not the ones telling you now that the politicians, they are selfish. They are not the ones telling you that they don't have the interests of the people at heart. You remember a parable by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when he said, very soon Somalia will be better than Nigeria, that if you have not got your visa for Somalia, you better do so. That is what is going on right now. This thing that is taking place is not taking place only in Biafra land, only in southeastern part of Nigeria. No, it's taking place everywhere. As we stand right now, there is a protest going on right now in Ogun State. There is a protest in other parts of the country. A lot of things are going on right now. Hunger in the land. And I have also seen a situation whereby a lot of people now regret of being in Nigeria. Come to think of it, you don't need somebody to tell you before you say that, oh, I regret of being in Nigeria. Why do I find myself here? Or how come I got into this mess? Nigeria right now is a mess. A lot of things are going on right now. There is no money anywhere. There is no food, there is no water. Even when you have your money, you can't buy anything. This is how bad it is. Muhammadu Buhari decided to change this currency few months. He knew very well that election is coming very, very near, and the politicians will not allow the common man to have access to money. Even when they have not changed the currency, governorship election, you see that there is no money. Everywhere is so difficult because they are keeping this money in bond and give to those guys they normally use, okay? And Muhammadu Buhari is aware and he knows the implication. He knows what happened during presidential election. And he is changing Naira very close, few weeks to this election. Come on. What do you think? What do you expect the common man to do? As people are hungry, people are crying, people are shouting for money. The way people are crying for money is not because of the politicians, my people. As I'm talking to you, they have millions of money inside their bars. In fact, the Ghana must go everywhere is filled up with money. When the common man don't even have money, you are talking about election. There is no fuel anywhere. How can these people pay transportation to go to that post unit or unit post to go and cast the vote? You see, they are only concerned about themselves. They don't concern about you, about your well-being. They are so selfish because if they know that these people, they will be in need of all these things to make free and fair election, I see no reason why they will not make available everything for everyone. They start crying already. They start feeling the regret already. Now they understand when people say that there is no election because it's not working. Come to think of it, Simon Ekpa was saying that you people will be the one that will help us to make this process of Biafra come to pass and so easy. People will say, oh, you are doing a countdown. How many days to go? You are counting that. What is going on already? Is it not an evidence for you that the youths, they are now awakened? The youth woke up to reality. Now that this thing is like this, we just say that because you are a supporter of Peter Obi or Atiku or Tinubu or Sowore, does that mean that this thing is not affecting you? No, it's still affecting you even when you have your own candidate to vote for and you say this person is above corruption, but the thing still affect you. That is when you will know that there is no mercy anywhere, no and no go area. The best is that people start regretting already that, oh, of a truth, we want of a truth, they want the country to be divided. They want everybody to go their separate way. That is what you are going to decide by yourself, because as it stands right now, you don't need a prophet to talk to you. You don't need anybody to advise you. You don't need a soothsayer. As it is right now, all the banks in Nigeria have shut it down already. And the worst partner is that people now carry gas, carry firewood to the bank. They are preparing food there because they now sleep and wake up in the bank premises. What a shame. So my Kabbalistic people, I said let me bring this update for you because you can see men in the town. Everywhere is so rough right now just because of the problem that this new currency is bringing right now. So please do want to share this video, like and subscribe as I bring you all the latest updates back to back. Thank you and bye-bye.